Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, thanks for coming along. I typically don't do unboxings unless it's for a new release on AliExpress. That's pretty much it. So yeah, this is a new release on AliExpress. I haven't seen it reviewed anywhere else, so let's get right into it. I'm trying not to show my information, especially at a time like this. Yeah, if you are wondering what I use to cut these open, Gonzo Firebird. I don't remember the model number, but I do really like this watch, and you can get them on AliExpress. I mean, this thing was like 25 bucks or something like that. It's been a great watch. No, sorry. It's been a great knife. So yeah, let's try and get into this package though. All right, so here we go. What do we got here? We got a new Lacz Denton. This is my first Lacz Denton. I know they are related to Pagani design. This box looks like a lot like a Pagani design. So yeah, I say let's jump right in. See what we get in the box here. Looks like we've got a Lacz Denton cleaning cloth. And we're not really too worried about that. But what do we have? What watch did I get? And this is one of those watches where it's kind of rough to get, and that's because the pictures they use online are of the watch that it is homaging. I'm not going to say what watch that is. You can know what that watch is, and then they just Photoshop their dial on it. So yeah, really kind of sketchy on Lacz Denton's part, but here I am getting the watch out in person so you guys can see it. We'll get dimensions, we'll get close-ups, all that fun stuff. So but yeah, here is the watch. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Not seeing any immediate red flags, so that's good. Check out the case side on this thing. It's looking pretty good too. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. All polished case. They say it is 40 millimeters. We'll get the measurements in it real quick. It does have a signed crown, so that's nice to see. Typical simple little screw down case back. So it's supposed to be the VK63, and it does look like that. So here we go. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. The one thing I'm noticing pretty much right away is that the hands are white. They're not silver like I'm pretty sure the product pictures showed. It does have what looks to be like Fotina on it as well, so that's an interesting choice. Let's see here. Do we got a push-pull crown? Yeah, just a push-pull crown. So let's see. There's the date changes. That seems to be working pretty good. Set the time on this thing. It is about 1:21. Yeah, that's the watch. Everything seems to be working fine. It's all aligned nicely. I think it looks okay. Yeah, looks all right. Looks decent. All right, let's do. Let me see what the strap is. At least we got quick release on the strap, so that's nice to see. I don't like these Milanese straps, but it is what it is. So let's see here. Dimensions. All right, so we got the calipers here. Let's see here. So they measure it. They say it's 40 millimeters, and it is right on 40 millimeters. 20 millimeter lug width. 11.3 thick. And 48 lug tip to lug tip. So there's your dimensions. It seems all right. Seems pretty decent, I think. I'm going to wait for my diamond selector to fire up. I'm going to swap the strap out real quick, and we'll be back. All right, so here it is on a nice vario strap. I think that looks much better. All right, let's test this thing for Sapphire. It's listed as not Sapphire, so I'm not expecting Sapphire. I know Lacz Denton has done that in the past where they don't put Sapphire on it. So, but look at that. It actually is Sapphire. That's surprising. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. So that's nice to see, especially at the price they're asking. I believe these are $100. Seen a coupon pretty much the entire time for $10 off of these. So can get these right around $90, and that's a pretty good price. First time I've seen an homage of this specific watch. I'm not going to mention it again. You can figure it out. I went with the reverse panda because I am overloaded with regular pandas, so I just wanted to try something a little bit different. And yeah, I think this thing looks pretty good. Yeah, pleasantly surprised that they added the sapphire crystal. I like the date at 6 o'clock. Those subdials I think look pretty cool. I'm not a fan of the white hands. I wish they would have done polished hands. I'm not sure why they did that. Kind of just clashes with the dial, honestly. Normally I'm a big fan of white hands, but not on something like this. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on that. So that's pretty much it. This will obviously be up for a full review pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.